Even as Times Now has been highlighting several cases of killer negligence in the cases of dengue in National Capital, there is yet again a case of Shravan, who's working here in Delhi, and in fact he has all the symptoms of dengue, but the Moolchand Hospital in Delhi refuses to admit him. In fact, I have these bills in hand. The bill clearly shows that the consultation fees is rupees 550, while the consultation fee according fixed by the government should be only rupees 50. If we in fact go to the second bill now, this is the bill of the dengue test that was in fact carried out. The bill clearly shows by the Moolchand Hospital that the bill is charged at rupees 2,150, while the upper limit set by the government is clearly rupees 600. So clear negligence yet again. How common people who do not have any other way, any other avenue are really taken for a ride. अस्पताल गए थे, आपकी हालत अभी बहुत खराब है, क्या हुआ कल अस्पताल में, आप पूरा डिटेल में बताएं हमें।
कल जी 550 रुपये लिया और 21 रुपये लिया, कोई है ही नहीं, कुछ सुविधा नहीं है। इसमें बोले कि भर्ती नहीं देंगे, जो 2 दिन के बाद भर्ती लेंगे।
अच्छा,
और इसमें भेज दिए।
तो आपको लग रहा है कि सरकार जो टेस्ट उन्होंने बोला है 600 रुपये है, तो आपको ऐसा नहीं बोला गया कि 600 रुपये है, और आप सरकार को क्या बोलेंगे?
मैंने बोले कि 600 रुपया सरकार से है, इसने 21 रुपये लिया, कहता है इसमें मुंचन है, तो इसमें सरकार क्या करेगा?
I was shocked when my driver came back. He has 104 fever. This guy was running 104 fever, Shravan. And all they did was charge him 2,150 bucks. I sent 3,500 bucks, knowing that the government has capped it at 600 rupees. But when they came back and they said we could not get the blood test done because they're charged as 2,600 bucks for one person. So that's when I got a little shocked. I was like, why 2,600 bucks when the government also is saying that we've capped it to 600 bucks in all private and government hospitals? They didn't admit him. The doctor oversaid told my secretary that he has all symptoms of dengue, but they still sent him back. He was running 104 fever since last night. Even right now it's 105, and I've given him a little bit of medicines what they prescribed in the morning, which is crocin. That's all we can give him. But all I'm saying is a total failure in part of state government as well as central government. There are huge claims on televisions that we've done this, we've done that. Everyone really provided medical care, medical help. But look at what has happened to this poor guy who's crying for help over here. But no one has come forward, neither the hospital nor the state government, to provide him any help.
लैब्स के हमने देखिएगा काफ़ी लोगों से बातचीत हो रही थी, लोग कह रहे थे कि रेट काफ़ी ज़्यादा है। डेंगू टेस्ट के लोग 2,000, 2,500 तक, 3,000 तक भी ले रहे थे। इसको हमने 600 रुपये में पैक किया है, और प्लेटलेट काउंट का 50 रुपये, जो कि लोग 150, 200, 250, 300 तक ले रहे थे। और ये हमने काफ़ी लोगों से बातचीत करने के बाद, और अपने भी हमारे यहाँ भी होते हैं, तो हमने भी उसकी कॉस्टिंग निकाली है। तो जो कॉस्टिंग हमारे तो बहुत ही कम है, तो हमने उसके अंदर मार्जिन जोड़ा है, उनका लेबर कॉस्ट है या उनका इक्विपमेंट कॉस्ट है, प्रॉफिट है, सारा जोड़ने के बाद ही दिया है। और देखिएगा अगर ऐसे हालात हैं तो जरूरी नहीं कि हर टेस्ट में बहुत ज़्यादा ही कमाएं, थोड़ा कम कमा लीजिएगा किसी टेस्ट में।